Okay, I was coming. Yeah. So is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So I was talking
Yes, sir.
about, okay, I was talking about Boston Tea Party, right? So, the tax, England have put tax on tea, and because of that, most of the colonies have been angered. In fact, all the colonies have been angered, but now there had been a ship which had brought tea to America, right? And now that has to be unloaded, right? So तो जो काही चहा आणला होता तो सगळा उतरून घेण्याची गरज आहे किंवा आवश्यकता आहे. And in that particular phase, now the most of the colonies have refused to unload that particular tea which was coming from English ships. And in fact, it was happening in the Boston. So the governor of the Boston ordered that the ship must be unloaded, but a group of citizens, right, which was dressed in a American uh, dresses, right, particularly called. So the soldiers, you can consider, they boarded the ship, and see, once they boarded the ship, then instead of unloading that ship, they decided to dump that particular ship, and they dumped the crates of tea into the water, right? And this particular dumping of sheep, or the dumping of that particular uh, crates of tea into water, is termed as the Boston Tea Party. So this was the event, right? So you can see, is this kind of a party, right? Someone might be thinking, but this is called a Boston Tea Party, right? So instead of unloading that particular tea from the ship, they have dumped all the tea into the water, and they have made, or they have started knowing this particular event, or this particular, say, phenomena as Boston Tea Party, right? So that is what you can consider, and this has actually this was actually starting of the revolution. Fine. Now, so American Revolution started in 1775. Obviously, still it has taken 2 more years to actually termed it as a revolution, and it ended, or it was lasted until 1789. Sorry, 81. So Declaration of Independence, which was on 4th of July 1776, which was issued, right? So issued, that is means what? Issued by the people, and the author was the Thompson Jefferson. You can keep in mind this particular name, right? So who was author of the issuance of the Declaration of Independence, right? So this declaration was stating that, right, there had been some points in this declaration. So what were these different points? For example, the uh, Indian Independence Act 1935, which was having some of the statements, which was having some declarations. Likewise, now this Declaration of Independence was having some points. So it stated that all men are equal, whether it is American or whether it is British, right? All are equal. They have natural and inalienable right to the life. So second point was the natural right, as well as inalienable uh, right. So the meaning of this particular word is, you can consider that, so it is not a subject to be taken away from the people, right? So that is what you can consider. That means what? It is not only natural, right? Inalienable, अविभाज्य, मराठीत आपण त्याला म्हणू शकतो की अविभाज्य, right? It cannot be separated out, right? It cannot be taken away from the people. Third statement, or third point was the liberty and pursuit of happiness. Right? Everyone is having a uh, right to have liberty as well as they can pursue happiness. Right? Obviously, मला आनंदी राहण्याचा अधिकार आहेच आहे. They are justified in revolting when these rights are violated by any of the government. Right? If your government is violating your rights, then you have a right to justify through revolt. Right? So these were some of the declarations you can consider in the Declaration of Independence. Right? Now, obviously, as you can know now, the colonies have the war against England, and that war was won by colonies. So American Revolution made a reality, right? It had happened, right? And this has made possible the establishment of a new nation, which is called United States of America, right? So, and now England acknowledged in 1783 that the acknowledged the American independence, and which was called a Treaty of Paris. Right? So through the Treaty of Paris, England have also acknowledged that America is now independent. So American independence was in according to this particular treaty. And obviously, the first president was elected, or first president of the United States of America was George Washington, right, who had been elected as his first president. So this is what you can consider. Now you will be thinking that why it needs to be, it needs to know, right? So when you can consider when it had been happened, right? And see, it has its concurrent effect, right? हा लागूनचा एक परिणाम होता, where there had been some involvement of some of the people from French, say France, which are called the French soldiers, right? And obviously, as I said, now they got enlightened, right? And they thought that now we need to work, we need to come together for liberty, right? Not only liberty, there are some other points, and that is the reason why the whole mankind is uh, thankful to this particular revolution, right? Anyway, now you can consider another point, that is of the revolution, French Revolution. Fine. So let's start with the French Revolution. So again, it's a name given to the struggle which had swept away the old regime in the France. So obviously त्यावेळेला राजा काम करत होता, राईट? तिथं तर काय इंग्लंडची काय कॉलनी नव्हती, राईट? देर हॅड बीन नो colonies of East India Company, right? Rather, there had been the king, right? So the struggle of the people of France, which had swept away the old regime, त्यांनी तिथल्या राजाचं जे साम्राज्य होतं ते किंवा जी सत्ता होती ती उलथवून टाकली, right? Not only this one, and brought the fundamental changes in the socio-political setup of that particular country. This is most important, and because of that, why the whole humankind or mankind should be thankful to this particular revolution, right? So they have not only swept away the old regime in the France, but also they brought the fundamental changes in socio-political setup of a country. So this revolution was a great event in the history of mankind, right? So it was not only for the uh, for the France and Europe, but also for the mankind as a whole, right? So it was not limited to the people of France, people of Europe, people of any of the other continent. Rather, it was important for the whole mankind across the globe, right? So what it has given, right? Okay, what it was. So this French Revolution was nothing but the political upheaval, right, which had begun in 1789, and what it had given to the humankind. So it gave humanity new ideas which are called liberty, equality, and fraternity. Now you can see in these days, or whenever the constitutions of so many other countries were being uh, prepared, at that time you can consider all these points have been clearly considered, right? Their meanings have been defined, right? And what is the essence of these three words that was understood while preparing any kind of constitution, right? Not only for the Constitution of India, but you can consider some other constitutions where these three words are having a lot of importance, right? And this is the reason why the whole humankind across the globe should be thankful to this particular revolution, because this revolution has given these three words to the whole humankind. And because of that, now these three words have become the world of watch, right? So become the watch world, right? Okay. Now, so what was the social scenario of France before it becoming the before revolution, right? So there had been three different estates. Estates are nothing but the classes. Fine. Estate, right? So everyone else, right? Everyone else of first estate and second estate was falling into third estate. That means what? शेतकरी तिथंच, कामगार तिथंच, शिक्षक तिथंच, doctor तिथंच, engineer तिथंच, right? So all these were forming third estate, right? So you can see everyone else. So what is everyone else, right? व्यापारी तिथंच, right? So across the countryside, who had remained, right, of first estate and second estate was forming the third estate, and this is most important you can consider, right? So question can be asked on this particular point, right? The third estate is being formed by which of the following, and you will be having different options. Fine. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
so next lecture time.
Okay, just I will stop here. I will just, okay. Last point. The third estate was really an unprivileged class, right? As like the first estate and second estate, unlike the first estate and second estates, which were the privileged classes. So this was unprivileged class, right? So you can consider this point, right? Anyway, we can consider the remaining part in tomorrow's session. So we'll stop here. Okay.
Bye. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone. I want to suggest everyone that don't write anything while the session is going on, right?
Okay, sir.
It is nothing. In fact, I don't know. Anyway, okay. Rushika sir, shall I leave the meeting?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
The
fine. Thank you,
students
everyone.
join on the ma'am's ID for joining the English lecture. Shardul, I sent on the group. Join through that. Ma'am's ID is different. Join that session.